Derelict popular haunted and paranormal house myths in Pakistan, Jinn, ghosts, and unexplained mysteries. Intro. Powerful. What if I told you that somewhere in Pakistan there are houses so feared that people refuse to even walk past them after sunset? Houses where doors open on their own, where footsteps echo in empty rooms, where people claim jinn have lived for over 200 years. Are these places truly haunted? Or are they just stories born from fear and imagination? Tonight, we uncover the most chilling haunted house myths of Pakistan, stories whispered for generations, stories that refuse to die. This is not just horror, this is mystery, belief, and human fear combined. Segment 1, The Legend of Sukkur's Bandar Road. Haveli. In the city of Sukkur, on a quiet road known as Bandar Road, stands an old, abandoned Haveli. Locals believe this house is more than 200 years old, and they say it is not empty. According to local stories, a female entity roams inside the Haveli. Strange laughter and crying can be heard at night. Doors slam without wind, shadows move where no one stands. People claim that anyone who tried to live there either left within days or suffered extreme mental fear. Some say the house is home to jinn. Others believe it is the spirit of a woman wronged long ago. But here's the twist. Despite decades of fear, no official investigation, no historical document, and no scientific proof has ever confirmed these claims. Yet the fear remains. Segment 2, The Haunted Haveli of Bahawalpur. Bahawalpur, a city of palaces, nawabs, and royal history. But hidden behind its beauty is a disturbing legend. A Haveli where people claim to see a bride-like figure late at night. Witnesses say the sound of bangles and anklets echoes through halls. Wedding songs are heard with no musicians. Lights turn on and off by themselves. Cold air fills rooms without explanation. Local folklore suggests a tragic wedding ended in death, and the soul never left the house. Is it a ghost? Is it a jinn? Or is it the human mind trying to explain trauma? Once again, no evidence, only testimonies. Segment 3, Haunted Houses in Karachi and Lahore, in Pakistan's largest cities. The stories do not stop. Karachi and Lahore are filled with old colonial-era houses where residents report paranormal experiences. People claim heavy footsteps on empty staircases, children crying in locked rooms, furniture moving slightly on its own, sudden feelings of panic and suffocation. Some families moved out overnight, leaving furniture and belongings behind. Doctors later suggested anxiety, stress, and depression. But residents insist what we felt was not normal. Once again, fear wins over logic. Reality check. Islam and science. Let's pause the fear for a moment. In Islam, the existence of jinn is real. Heavy jinn live in the same world as humans. But they do not automatically haunt every old house. Islamic scholars explain. Not every strange sound is supernatural. Old buildings naturally produce noises. Fear can exaggerate ordinary experiences, psychologists add. Darkness increases imagination. Anxiety creates hallucination. Like effects, stories spread fear faster than facts. Islam teaches balance. Believe, but do not blindly fear. Trust Allah, not rumors. The real reason these stories survive. So why do these haunted house myths never die? Because humans fear the unknown. An empty house becomes a mystery. A sound becomes a spirit. A story becomes a legend. Over time, facts fade, but fear remains. And fear is powerful. Final message, closing thought. Pakistan's haunted houses are less about ghosts and more about belief. Until proven otherwise, these places remain urban legends, stories passed from generation to generation. But one truth stands firm. When Allah's name is present, no jinn, no spirit, no unseen force has any power. Outro, FACTSTORMLAB style, history, facts, and mysteries, all in one super hit video. Only on FACTSTORMLAB 786. Don't forget to subscribe, my friends.